Good morning, children. We have to study about freedom struggle of India. For the last 7 days, we have been learning or studying about the freedom struggle of India. Freedom struggle. Now we have to complete the remaining part of the lesson, freedom struggle. Remaining part of the lesson, freedom struggle, we have to learn now. Today we have to study about civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement. What is the meaning of this one? That we have to think. In order to wipe out British people from the land of India, in order to wipe out British people from the land of India, civil disobedience movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi during 1930 period. What happened? That we have to think. During 1930 period, Mahatma Gandhi started his world famous Dandi March. He started his world famous Dandi March. From where? From Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi seashore. And he had 378 kilometers to walk. Then after reaching Dandi seashore, he broke the salt law. What is the meaning of salt law? That we have to think. Salt law. That means during this time, Indians had no right or power to make salt. The right or power to make salt was in the hands of British people. The right or power to make salt was in the hands of the British people. But Mahatma Gandhi reached there by traveling 378 kilometers. And he broke, what did he do? He broke the salt law. In different parts of India, people did the same thing. They broke the salt law. In different parts of India, by doing the same thing, people broke the salt law. People broke the salt law. Then Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was there. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was there. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Then what happened? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan started servants of the good society. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan started, or Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan made one society known as servants of the God society. In order to unite the Indians against the British people, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan started servants of the God society. Then Rani Gai Rani Gai was a girl from Nagaland. Rani Gai was from the land of Nagaland. Rani Gai actually participated in the freedom struggle of India. Freedom struggle. So, Salt Satyagraha and civil disobedience movement were important incidents in the history of India. As a result of Salt Satyagraha, what happened? As a result of Salt Satyagraha, freedom struggle of India became very powerful. As a result of or as a consequence of Salt Satyagraha or Dandi March, freedom struggle of India became more powerful than the earlier days. Freedom struggle of India became more powerful than the earlier days because of Salt Satyagraha. Salt Satyagraha. See, we are studying about freedom struggle of India. We are reading more. We are studying about the freedom struggle of India. Freedom struggle. What we are reading? We are reading civil disobedience movement. In order to drive away British people from the land of India, in order to drive away British people from the land of India, civil disobedience movement was started by, in order to drive away British people of India. Civil disobedience movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi and Indian National Congress. Civil disobedience movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi and Mahatma Gandhi and Congress Party. During 1938 period, during this period, the right of power to make salt was vested in the hands of British people only. Indian people had no right or power to make salt. Indian people had no right or power to make salt. The right or power to make salt was in the hands of British people. During 1930 period, I already told you regarding the speciality of Sabarmati Asrama and Sabarmati River. From Sabarmati Asrama, he started his journey by walk. He traveled 378 kilometers with his followers and he reached near Dandi seashore. This historical walk is known as which one? This historical walk is known by the name Dandi March. By reaching there, he prepared salt by breaking the salt law. Then, in different parts of India, people followed the same idea of Gandhi. In different parts of India, people followed or imitated the same idea of Gandhiji. They followed the same idea of Gandhiji. They used the same idea of Gandhiji. By breaking the salt law in different parts of India, common people prepared salt. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, he is known as Frontier Gandhi of India. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan also provided encouragement to the freedom struggle of India by making servants of God society. He prepared servants of God Society. Who made Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan made or prepared servants of God Society. Through this society, he encouraged the Indians to fight against whom? To fight against the British people. Then Rani Gai Binu was a small girl from Nagaland. She actively participated. Rani Gai Binu actively participated in the freedom struggle of India. Rani Gai Binu actively participated in the freedom struggle of India. The role of Rani Gai Binu in the freedom struggle of India really inspired the people of India. Rani Gai Binu's ideas really inspired the people of India. Round Table Conference. When we are studying about the freedom struggle of India, Round Table Conference do have its own speciality. Round Table Conference do have its own speciality when we are studying about the freedom struggle of India. When we are studying the freedom struggle of India, the role of Round Table Conference cannot be neglected. Round Table Conference. During the time of first Round Table Conference, nobody really participated. Nobody. But during the time of second Round Table Conference, during the time of second Round Table Conference, what is Gandhi participated because of the conversion from the Congress party. But during the time of second Round Table Conference, Gandhi demanded complete freedom. During the time of second Round Table Conference, Gandhiji demanded complete freedom or Purna Swaraj. Purna Swaraj or complete freedom. Purna Swaraj or complete freedom was demanded by Gandhiji during the time of second Round Table Conference. Complete freedom. And he told that British people should leave India. But these conditions were not at all accepted by the British people. These conditions were not at all accepted by the British people. So, second Round Table Conference was a failure. Second roundtable conference was a failure. Second roundtable conference was a failure. Second roundtable conference. Then, during this time also, Ambedkar participated in the roundtable conference. Ambedkar participated during the time of second roundtable conference, and MacDonald was the British Prime Minister. MacDonald was the British Prime Minister. MacDonald was the British Prime Minister. MacDonald gave one special concession to India. That concession he gave to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Communal award, that was known as communal award. Communal award. That was known by what name? That was known as communal award. Then, according to communal award, Ramsay MacDonald, who was the British Prime Minister, told to Ambedkar that special constituencies will be given to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people. That was the idea of Ramsay MacDonald. Ambedkar agreed to these ideas. These ideas were accepted by Ambedkar. Ambedkar accepted or agreed with these ideas. Then what happened? But Gandhiji did not agree with these ideas. Gandhiji told that communal award is a technique of the British people to destroy the freedom struggle of India. Who told? Gandhiji told. Gandhiji told that communal award is a technique of the British people to divide the Indians into two. That means divide and rule policy was the main policy of the British people. Divide and rule policy. So, we have to avoid this communal award, otherwise we cannot fight with the British people. That was the idea of Mahatma Gandhi. So, Ambedkar was not ready to accept the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi started strike. Mahatma Gandhi started hunger strike in the land of India. Mahatma Gandhi. At last, an agreement was made between Mahatma Gandhi and Ambedkar. That happened during 1932. 1932, an agreement was made between Mahatma Gandhi and Ambedkar. That agreement was known as Pune Pact. That agreement was really known by the name Pune Pact. According to Pune Pact, separate constituencies for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people were cancelled by the British government. According to Pune Pact, scheduled caste people were allowed to stand as candidates in the general Then during 1935 period, during 1935 period, Government of India Act was passed by the British people. Government of India Act was passed by the British people. Government of India Act. According to Government of India Act, some special considerations were given to the Indian people by the British people. All these things they did only to reduce the power of the Indians in the freedom struggle of India. Gradually, after some years, 1935 Government of India Act became the base or foundation of Indian Constitution. See, one thing I'll tell you, Round Table Conference. Round Table Conference really held in the land of Britain. It was in the land of Britain that Round Table Conferences were held in the land of Britain. Round Table Conferences were held in the land of Britain. 3 Round Table Conferences were there in the history of India. First Round Table Conference, second and third. During the time of first and third Round Table Conference, Gandhiji did not participate. It was Dr. Ambedkar who participated in the 3 Round Table Conferences. Then what happened? During the time of second Round Table Conference, Gandhiji went to London to participate in the Round Table Conference. Gandhiji went to London. And in the second Round Table Conference, what happened? In the second Round Table Conference, Gandhiji demanded complete freedom or complete independence on the part of British people. But Britishers were not ready to give complete freedom or complete independence to the Indian people. They were not ready to give complete freedom or complete independence. That was the idea of British people. So, being highly disappointed, Mahatma Gandhi came back to the land of India. Then, but during the time of second Round Table Conference, Ambedkar got a guarantee from British Prime Minister. Ramsay MacDonald was the British Prime Minister during this time. Ramsay MacDonald. Then Ramsay MacDonald gave one special concession to Ambedkar. There is communal award. Ramsay MacDonald told that special constituencies will be given to whom? Will be given to scheduled caste and scheduled people. But Gandhiji told that communal award or special constituencies are a technique used by the British people to destroy the freedom struggle of India. So a disagreement happened between Gandhiji and Ambedkar. Disagreement happened. Then what happened? Gandhiji started his hunger strike up to death. Finally, an agreement was made between Ambedkar and Gandhiji. There was Pune agreement, Pune Pact. According to Pune Pact or Pune agreement, separate constituencies for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people were removed. And scheduled caste people were able to stand as candidates in the general constituencies. During 1935 period, what happened? During 1935 period, what actually happened? During 1935 period, Government of India Act was presented by the British people. According to Government of India Act, what happened? According to Government of India Act, some special considerations were given to Indian people by the British people. Government of India Act. Then what happened? Government of India Act became the base for Constitution of India. See, Quit India movement. Quit India movement is known as the greatest mass movement that happened in the land of India before independence. Quit India movement happened during 1942 period. It was during the year 1942 that Quit India movement happened. Quit India movement. Gandhi told, do or die. Do or die was told by Gandhi. Gandhi told the people of India that work hard for the independence of India. Otherwise you do or die. That was the idea of Gandhi. Gandhi told that don't simply sit without participating in the freedom struggle of India. That was a major important idea or ideology of Mahatma Gandhi. Do or die. This policy was presented by Mahatma Gandhi. And before independence, the greatest mass movement that happened in the land of India was Quit India movement. The greatest mass movement that happened in India before independence was Quit India movement before independence. Then what happened? People from different parts of India participated in Quit India movement. Ladies, gents, small children, young people, old people, etc. participated in the Quit India movement. Then, during the time of Quit India movement, Gandhiji was arrested. Gandhiji was arrested during the time of Quit India movement. Gandhiji was really arrested during Quit India movement. Gandhiji and other freedom fighters were arrested during the time of Quit India movement. After 5 years, British people left the land of India. So what is that? Quit India movement was a very big mass movement that happened in India before independence. It happened in the year 1942 period, India movement. Gandhi told the people of India, do or die. People from different walks of life, rich people, poor people, literate, illiterate, ladies, gents, old people, young people, villages and town folk, all the people participated in the Quit India movement. Gandhiji and other leaders were arrested. Gandhiji and other leaders were arrested during the time of Quit India movement. That was the speciality of Quit India movement. After Quit India movement, British people remained in India only for 5 years. Dear children, you observe